Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jellyfin server public. We'll cover the essential steps to get your media accessible from outside your home network. First, we'll discuss network configuration, including port forwarding and securing a static IP address. Then, we'll move on to crucial security measures like setting up HTTPS and strong authentication. Finally, I'll show you how to connect to your server remotely, ensuring a smooth and secure streaming experience for you and your invited users. To begin, you need to establish a static IP address for the device hosting your Jellyfin server. This ensures your server's internal address doesn't change, which is vital for consistent access. Next, you'll configure port forwarding on your router. You'll typically forward port 8096, Jellyfin's default, to your server's static IP. Remember to also check your firewall settings to permit these incoming connections. These steps are foundational for external access. Security is paramount when making your server public. First, implement HTTPS to encrypt all traffic. This can be done with a reverse proxy like Nginx or Caddy, or by obtaining an SSL certificate. Always use strong, unique passwords for every Jellyfin user account. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection if your setup allows. Finally, keep your Jellyfin server and its underlying operating system updated to patch any vulnerabilities promptly. With your network configured and security measures in place, it's time to access your server remotely. Consider using a domain name or a dynamic DNS service for easier access, as this avoids remembering your public IP address. If you set up a reverse proxy, configure it to point to your chosen domain. Now, open a web browser or Jellyfin client on an external network, enter your domain, and enjoy your media library from anywhere. Congratulations! Your Jellyfin server is now public.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.